Hi, this is Jake with Cabinet Solutions Design Software, and on today's video, we're going to be showing you how to use the offline installer for Cabinet Solutions. What the offline installer is it's the entire program, but it's not using the web installer. It's actually downloading it as one giant file that you would have to extract and then run the Cabinet Solutions installer from. But let's go ahead and log into our website. Let's go to cabinetsolutions.net, and let's go ahead and log in here. We're going to go enter in our email address and password. And once we're logged in, we can go ahead and scroll down until we see under downloads here, we can download the installer or the offline installer. Let's go ahead and click on the offline installer. It's going to have the same license agreement that once we go through and read, we click on agree and that'll download the program for us. And this will take some time depending on your internet speed, so please be patient with it. It is still, like I said, downloading the entire program, but it's doing it all at once instead of in small packets like it would with the web installer. And once this is done, we're going to go to our downloads folder. So I can just click on here where it says open file, and that opens the actual zip file itself. But what I would actually do is go down here to my file explorer, go to downloads. Now on here, I have the file that I just downloaded, the Cabinet Solutions member setup. Double click on that. And now once I'm inside that compressed file, I can just right click on this and click on copy. Click back up here where it says downloads, or you can click on this up arrow and that does the same thing, brings you back into your downloads folder, and then right click and paste. Once that's done pasting, this is the actual folder itself that you need to go into. So double click on that. And now what you would do is you would double click on the Cabinet Solutions setup. Let's go ahead and do that. Even though I do have the Cabinet Solutions program installed on my computer, this will not affect any of my jobs or anything like that on here. It's just going to reinstall the program. It is literally the same information. It's just installing it all in one go. Once you're done, just click on Start Cabinet Solutions. It'll bring up with the days remaining screen that says 0 days. Just click on Get Codes. It'll log you in, and then you're good to go from here. And this is Jake with Cabinet Solutions Design Software. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call, 209-836-4077. You can send us an email to support@cabinetsolutions.net, or feel free to like and comment this video. Thank you again, and I hope you have a great day. This is Jake with Cabinet Solutions, and we hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to click on that notification bell for future videos of tips and tricks or previews of upcoming features. Do you have an idea for future videos? Comment below with different ideas or send us an email to support@cabinetsolutions.net and let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll be happy to create a video for it. Thank you again for watching.